Today we're talking all things beauty, and I'm sharing my easy everyday eye makeup tutorial with you. It's all coming up next at Style at a Certain Age. Hi ladies, it's Beth. Thanks so much for stopping by today. And a very warm welcome if this is your first time visiting. Hit the subscription box down below and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming your way. This channel is dedicated to aging with grace, strength, and beauty. So like, share, and comment so the YouTube algorithm is happy and more women just like you who want to stay modern, fresh, and relevant will discover the content. But let's get into that makeup tutorial. So today I'm sharing my everyday eye makeup with you, and honestly it takes 5 minutes or less. Very, very easy, beautiful everyday makeup, and it all starts with a palette. It's just 3 steps, so it's 3 shades. And many eyeshadows have more than 3 shades. Some have 6, some have 9, some have 12. So in that case, just get the most complementary colors to each other. And you start with the lightest and then you build up to the darkest. So if you just have 2 shades, then you're just going to have to go with the light base and then go with those 2 shades. That would be my recommendation. So this is Jane Iredale. And she's a little bit off the radar screen, so snaps to you if you know who she is. But I really love this set. It's called Brown Sugar, and I'll have that linked down below. But before I put my eyeshadow on, I always use a primer first, and this is MAC Eye Primer. And that just really helps get all the pigment out from the eyeshadow. So I just use my finger, and I always use my ring finger when I apply makeup because that is my least strong finger. So I know I'm not putting too much pressure on my eye. So I just put the primer all over, and as I said, it's just a 3-step process. There we go. I use my flat brush first for the lightest shade, and I just dab that in, and I just come along with just very light strokes all along my lid. I don't go up, I just keep it on my lid. And then I can come along and, smudge it a little bit with my finger again, if I think maybe it's just a little bit too intense. Then I take a round fluffy brush, and then that goes into the next darkest color. As I said, we're going to go light to dark. So I take my light fluffy brush, and then that's just the windshield wiper action in the crease of my eye. So I just go back and forth, and then I'll come along, and then I'll do that with my other eye too. Back and forth, back and forth. And then the last step for the eyeshadow is then I just take a short flat brush, and that goes into the deepest shadow. And then I just do a little V at the corner of my eye, like that. I do it on both sides. And then I'll come back with my round fluffy brush, and then I just blend, blend, blend. So I blend my crease, and then or the outer eye, blend my outer eye, and then I bring it into my crease. So that's that as far as eyeshadow is concerned. And then I come along and I put a little eyeliner on just to open up my eyes a little bit. And then I just take that and I just put that in as close to my lash line as possible. I don't worry if I get it a little above my lash line because I just always come along and smudge my eyeliner with a brush. Okay, so then I'm going to get my little smudging brush, and this is just a very short little stubby brush, and this is from my friend Nicole Johnson, and I know many of you watch her YouTube channel. She's amazing, has a lot of great makeup tips, and she also has these amazing brushes. So this is from her line. So I just come along and smudge each eye. So then I'm done with my eyeshadow. I mean, how easy is that? And then I come along, I can't forget my eyebrows because they really are, they do frame your face. So you can't ever forget about your eyebrows. So I use, this is Benefits, and I use a gray shade is what it is. And then I just come along and then I just lightly, I try to do like little feather-like strokes up, 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 and then over. And I just fill in all the patches that are a little bit thin. And I never really go past where my eyebrow ends. That was a really great tip when I worked with L'Oreal and I worked with their makeup artist. And Val said you never go past, I know we were taught to go, you know, to the corner of your eye, but she said actually that's not the trick. You just go to the end of your eyebrow. So that's what I do. And then I just come back, I just kind of like look at it. And then if I've missed any spots, and then I just take a spoolie, a little spoolie, and a lot of the eyebrow pencils have spoolies attached, but I have a separate one. And then I just kind of come along and I blend that too. There we go. And then last but not least is the mascara. And I used an eyelash curler. I've been using it for years, so it really doesn't scare me at all. So I get as close to my lash line as possible. I just crimp, hold, and on the other side, crimp, hold, and then mascara, and then I'm done. I mean, really, how easy is that? I told you it was fast. And this is really what I use. I mean, this technique with the 3-step, 3 shadows, 3 steps, that's what I've been using lately in just my everyday makeup. So I always do my eyes first and then I do my face afterwards. So you'll see what I look like in the intro and the outro with everything, but it just couldn't be easier. 3 steps, 3 shades, voila, you're done. Well, I hope you like this easy peasy makeup tutorial. I say that makeup should be just like style. It doesn't need to be complicated, and we can have an everyday look that we can put together in minutes. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Of course, leave a comment, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.